To convert BTC to USDT on Trust Wallet, follow these steps. Open Trust Wallet. Open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and log into your account. Go to the DApp browser. On the main screen, find and click on the DApp browser or browser tab at the bottom. Find the decentralized exchange. In the DApp browser, search for a DEX like PancakeSwap or 1inch. These platforms allow you to swap between different cryptocurrencies. Connect Trust Wallet to the DEX. Once on the DEX platform, click on Connect Wallet and select Trust Wallet from the available wallet options. Select the swap option. After connecting, go to the swap or trade section. Here, you will see options to swap one cryptocurrency for another. Choose BTC and USDT. In the From section, select BTC. In the To section, select USDT. Confirm the swap. Enter the amount of BTC you want to convert to USDT. Review the details, including fees, and confirm the swap. Complete the transaction. Once confirmed, the transaction will process and you will receive USDT in your Trust Wallet.